Lordship, I have filed one additional affidavit for the additional documents, Lordship, which is very imperative, Lordship. Lordship, this regarding the additional affidavit, Lordship, National Security Act, just after filing this file, the challenging the State Act, Preventive Detention Act, that petitioner came to know that National Security Act 1980 is nothing but it is preventive detention that enacted by the central government. Then on that ground, it gives estoppel to the validation of the State Act, Lordship. So my core ground is doctrine of repugnancy, which means if there is a central act, then state cannot be validated. Then one of the central act is National Security Act, that which I have to annex as an annexer, your Lordship. On record, it is already short. It is just inclusion of the one information. And Lordship,
yes, Learned Advocate General, do you have any objection in this additional affidavit?
In fact, apparently a copy has not been served. I have just come to know about this additional affidavit.
Lordship, last time also, regarding this filing of this case, that government advocate.
So it's here in the record, whether it has been served to the.
It has just been given. I have just received the copy.
Lordship, in filing record, yesterday also, I that inquiry about the handing of this extra copy to the government advocate.
Yesterday.
Yes, Lordship. Then
No, that's why I'm asking, since he has got the copy, whether he'd like to
and Lordship,
say anything on it.
exactly. Lordship,
If
this
he
is just
doesn't have anything to say, we'll.
one document, inclusion of the one documents. That's it.
An entirely new dimension has been added. Now, and
My Lordship.
No, if he doesn't have any objection, if it's only for simply annexing or
Exactly.
whatever, if he doesn't have any objection,
Exactly, Lordship.
we're ready to hear you, but
That it is clearly
if
that
your lordship comes to paragraph 4 of this additional affidavit, entirely new dimension has been added to the case file. Paragraph 3 and 4.
This affidavit is dated, additional affidavit, inclusion of the copy of
29 October.
paragraph 3 and 4.
29 October.
Yes.
Paragraphs 3 and 4. Now a new challenge has been added that the State Act is inconsistent with and repugnant to this National Security Act. So naturally, the state will have to respond to this.
Yes, this is.
and Lordship, from beginning,
And
my
at
ground
this stage of final hearing, my lord, whether without the leave of this honorable court, can an affidavit be filed like this?
Lordship, from beginning of the case, my ground was repugnancy. Just in order to establish repugnancy.
Sir, it's a law enacted by the legislature.
Yes.
It's not as simple as you are trying to project. It's a law is meant for the benefit of these people only. One person is agree, or two persons are agree. Doesn't
No,
make it-
Your Honor, that this is private injury. That public injury is when constitutional mandatory is not followed, and when constitutional obligation is struck and eroded by the state legislative act.
Sir,
Then it is more important,
sir,
Lordship.
it's too perfect.
And
We're
Lordship,
not saying that
And what is his
you
interest?
cannot challenge. You can challenge.
no, Lordship, that one from beginning of the file in 1979, that when FIAL was first initiated in India, itself speaks that
When this act was enacted
2014 lordship.
and when the National Security Act
National Security Act is 1980.
1980.
Yes.
So why you are filing it the fag end of your the proceedings?
That Your Honor, this condition is Article 254. That it says that when State Act and the Central Act consist each other,
Is it?
then yes, Your Honor.
Is it?
Yes, Your Honor. This is constitutional mandatory, Your Honor. And Your Honor, this is not just about the violation of the citizen right. This is preservation of the Constitution, Your Honor.
Have you gone through the judgment of the constitutional bench judgment?
Yes, Your Honor. That I have many,
2017.
Your Honor.
Saravanu.
Sarabano, Your Honor, it is, if I am not mistaken, it is about this. It was maintenance care.
What is the grounds of challenge to the enactment?
No, Your Honor, that FIAL, that I have not gone through exactly on that part. Your Honor, that FIAL, that there is a bomb in 2018.
Yes, Mr. Advocate General. I think you file your response.
An entirely new dimension has been added.
No, Your Honor.
Whatever you want to,
Yes, will,
if you want to object.
yes,
we'll
will.
file a
See,
objection.
Mister, you are filing an application, this additional affidavit without the leave of the court, and you don't want to give even the opportunity to the government to file any objection?
Your
Is it
Honor,
reasonable?
Your Honor, exactly.
We could have dismissed this additional affidavit. This is without the permission of the court.
Exactly, Your Honor. Last time this honorable court also came, this, I have informed Your Honor that regarding that.
Yes, maybe just 2 weeks time.
We're just giving them some time to file any objection, whatever, because he's objecting.
Your Honor.
Learned Advocate General is objecting your additional affidavit.
And Your Honor, this, this repugnancy grant was
And
taken.
it's very strange. You have not done your homework before. After filing, you came to know the Act of 1980. You are challenging the Act of 2014.
Yes, Your Honor.
It's been 2 years.
Your Honor, this,
And as you come to the knowledge of the enactment of 1980 Act only a few days back.
Your Honor, that for interest of this
Instead,
constitutionality, Your
it's
Honor.
interest of the public. It is for public interest litigation.
Yes, exactly.
It's only for you or what?
No, Your Honor, this is purely public interest.
The laws are made for the benefit of the people only by the legislature.
Your Honor.
Who are the legislators?
That Your Honor,
Your representative only, our representative.
Your Honor, exactly at the same time, legislative has to follow this provision, constitutional provision, Your Honor.
Mr.
Yes, yes.
Ji ka to learned consent for the petitioner. It is noticed that the petitioner has filed an additional affidavit on 29/10/2024, praying for inclusion of the Act of National Security Act 1980 as an additional annexures.
Yes, yes.
After filing of the present PI. When did you file this PI?
8/16/2023, Your Honor.
8/08/23.
Yes, Your Honor. 2020,
08/06/2020.
23, Your Honor.
23. On the we have paid the additional affidavit. List of perusal of the additional affidavit, although it is all it is shown to be for bringing the National Security Act 1980 as an additional annexure. We find that the petitioner has, the petitioner has brought on the proceedings in a differently, bringing a different dimension in the proceedings. Mr. Learned Advocate General, Mr. I. Chaudhry, submits that he may be granted some time to respond to the additional affidavit. Mr. Consider the above, having considered above, and on the prayer of the learned Advocate General, let this matter be listed after 2 weeks.
After 3 weeks.
After 3 weeks, so as to enable the state to respond to the additional affidavit by of objection or otherwise.
Lordship, I would like to mention item number 22, Your Lordship.
Item
22. I've taken the consent of the petitioner, Your Lordship. May I kindly take up this matter after a week or next week?
on the prayer of MS so, the learned government advocate, listed after a week. Stop. The consent of the other side has been obtained.
Okay.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 15, 14, 15, and 18, my lord.
14,
Fifth, five, my lord, fifth.
14.
Item number 5 and 14.
One by one, let us. come up
Item number 5, my lord.
Yes, first,
My lord, this matter may be listed after 3 weeks, my lord. I require to file the affidavit, my lord. Otherwise, comment not yet received, my lord.
Titagum.
Yes, my lord.
Yes. You are the standing also?
Yes, of Education Department, my lord.
Mr. T. Tagum, the learned standing council, education department submits that he is yet to receive the Paraguay's comment and therefore 6 for 2 weeks time. Prayer is allowed, listed according.
My lord, and also item number 14 and 15, my lord.
14 and 15 years.
Here I'm on the Standing Council Health Department, my lord. Well, here also 3 weeks times requirement to file counter affidavit, my lord. This may be released after 3 weeks, my lord. 14 and 15.
Mr. T. Tagum, Leonard SC, Health and Family Welfare submits that he is yet to receive the instructions and therefore 6 adjournment of the case after 2 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly.
And last,
Lord,
my
I
lord, item number 18, my lord.
18, okay.
This also, my lord, same prayer, my lord. As a education, as Standing Council,
Same prayer
my lord, same.
as a standing council,
Education Department.
education. Okay,
Released after 3 weeks, my lord.
after 2 weeks.
3 weeks, my lord. Deeply applies.
Okay.
May I please, my lord? My lord, in item number 15, my lord, there is an interim, my lord.
Interim.
Yes, my lord, it may be continued.
Item
Item number 15, my lord.
15, ma'am. The interim order passed in WPC 170/2024. Shall continue till the next.
My lord, I pardon mention item number 16, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, in here, my lord. We have been engaged recently, my lord. So
You are the counsel for the
petitioner, my lord. Petitioner, my lord.
petitioner.
Yes, my lord.
What about this set of lawyers?
Earlier council has withdrawn their wakalat nama, my lord.
You are Mr.
M. Doji, my lord. M. Doji.
M. Dolly.
Doji, my lord. In my lord college, it is reflected as Margadi, my lord.
I'm not getting you.
In college, my lord, my name is reflected as Margadi, my lord.
Margi.
Margadi, my lord.
Yes. So your name is there. You are the counsel representing the petitioner.
Yes, my lord. However, my lord, The earlier counsel who representing the petitioner was withdrawn their wakalatnama, my lord.
No, but you are there. You have not withdrawn.
Who have been engaged newly, my lord.
Your name is there.
That's why, my lord, I am seeking adjournment for some time.
When your name is there, how can we be engaged recently? Your name is there along with the other councils.
Your
What is
lordship,
your prayer?
But some time may be given to go through the applicant, man.
your lordship, we have not received extra copies, your lordship. Extra copies may be served to us.
You furnish extra copies also?
Yes, I will, man.
Mr. D. Margi? Mr. Margi,
D, man.
Margi D.
Yes, man.
Learned counsel for the petitioner seeks adjournment of the case after 2 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall furnish the extra copies of the writ petition to the learned government advocate when?
Within 2 weeks, man.
2 weeks time to furnish the copies within a period of 7 days from today. Okay. Yes.
Okay.
How?
May I please, your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 13. 1-3.
Yes.
I need some time to file rejoinder, lordship. I may be given 2 weeks time,
You are the counsel for the petitioner.
lordship.
Your good name?
Adam Tatak, A Tatak.
L.
Adam Tatak, A Tatak.
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, 6 for 2 weeks' time to file rejoinder affidavit. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay.
Deeply obliged.
My lordship,
Yes.
my lordship, I beg to mention item number 4, my lordship.
Item,
4. With the consent of the other party, this matter will be listed after 2 weeks. my lordship.
you are the counsel for the,
Respondent,
your good name,
K. Wangmu.
MS so-and-so. Learned counsel for the respondent, 6 adjournment of the case for 2 weeks.
My lord,
So prayer is allowed. The consent of the other side has been obtained. Yes.
my lord, there is interim order that may be continued.
Stop. The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next returnable date, listed after 2 weeks.
And one more, my lordship, item number 9. This matter will be listed on 28th of this month. I have taken consent from the petition.
28.
Friday, 28th.
For this hearing matter, it may be difficult for this court. You take it in the first week of December.
Okay,
You're the counsel for the
respondent,
government advocate
yes, my lord.
on the prayer of MS and so the learned counsel, the learned government advocate. Listed again on 2/12/2024. Yes.
Your lordship, there is an interim order.
Stop, the interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next returnable date.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 11, arbitration petition. Lordship, on 2 occasions, the notice has been returned unserved. So I need to verify the new address. So 4 weeks time may be given. The address of the sole respondent has been changed. So on 2 occasions, the service report has been returned back without service. So we need to verify the new address. So
Mr.
4 weeks,
Counsel,
case succeeded.
the learned counsel for the petitioner is granted 4 weeks' time to ascertain the proper address of the sole respondent. For taking necessary steps for service of notice upon the said respondents. Listed accordingly.
My lord, I am here to mention item number 19, I am the my lord, counsel for the petitioner here, my lord. I have been, my lord, instructed not to pursue the matter. Therefore, my lord, I may be allowed to withdraw the case.
You are the counsel for the petitioner. You are the counsel for the petitioner.
My lord.
Counsel for the petitioner.
My lord, petitioner, Shimodi.
Mr. So-and-so. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he has instructions not to press the matter. So the writ petition is accordingly closed as not pressed. Okay. Okay.
Mayor,
Yes,
your
ma'am.
lordship, lordship, item number 6, your lordship, for the petitioner hearing. Lordship, respondent number 1 and 2 has filed their additional affidavit in opposition, and I have received a copy yesterday, your lordship. So this matter may be listed for admission hearing on 5th of December, your lordship.
You're the counsel for the petitioner.
Lordship, if required, I'll file my reply, but this matter may
You
be
have filed
listed.
your reply.
If required, I'll file, lordship, but this matter may be listed for admission hearing on 5th of December.
Do you mean to submit that the pleadings are complete?
Yes, your lordship.
Okay.
My lord.
It is submitted by the learned counsel for the parties that pleadings are complete. And the matter can be listed for admission hearing. Listed on 5/12/2024.
There is an interim, your lordship, that may be
Stop.
continued.
The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next return.
And if required, your lordship, I'll file my reply, if required, your lordship, in their affidavit, additional affidavit they have filed, one.
In the meantime, the petitioner is allowed to file reply. But we have stated that pleadings are completed.
Your lordship,
Why again?
affidavit
this?
in oppositions, everything done, but there has been some subsequent development. They have come up with
Then
one,
you file your reply, why listed for hearing?
then this may be come up in admission column, your lordship.
Yes. Cancel the order. Heard MS and so. Learned counsel for the petitioner and Mr.
Titagum for
D. Tagum,
standing counsel health department, my lord.
learned standing counsel, health department. MS and so, learned counsel for the petitioner is allowed 1 week time to file rejoinder,
Lordship, reply, your lordship.
to file.
Yes, my lord.
To file rejoinder affidavit,
To the additional affidavit filed by
Additional-
with the
affidavit.
additional affidavit filed by the respondent number 1 and 2. Prayer is allowed, listed on 5/12/2024.
deeply obliged.
Obliged.
Yes,
If you, my lord, if I may. My lord, this writ petition is challenging the inactivity of the respondents here in here, my lord. Now, the facts of the case is that, my lord, the petitioners had participated
what is
in,
your prayer?
my lord, my prayer was for re-tendering of the process.
Retendering.
But, my lord, I have been informed that the technical bid has been opened.
Yes,
My lord, I am told instruction, I have instructed the technical bid is already been, there are more than 500 bidders. Now evaluation process is going on.
My lord,
Altogether, there are 27 packages.
my lord, if that be so, then I have a small prayer, if it can be considered. We had submitted a representation, my lord. Herein,
representation for what?
we had
Representation for?
seeking clarification as well as re-tendering. So now if that be so,
That is in practice, your representation itself is in
no,
practice.
if now they are submitting that, right now, we had submitted the representation on the 11th of this month, recently only. By that time, we were not informed that the technical bid was being opened or anything was being done by the respondents. Now, if they are submitting that this is the position, then I will pray that our representation may be disposed of with a reasonable speaking
What
order.
is the purpose of that direction? Because actually,
My lord, if
they have opened the bid.
my lord, that is their submission. So if they have opened the bid, they can reject or they can
Okay,
give us
let,
a like.
the other side get proper instructions and come. We will pass the powers accordingly. We'll list it on Tuesday.
Tuesday is. Huh?
Okay, well, let him get instructions and come.
Because I.
Or on Friday, my lord,
Friday, okay,
Friday.
Friday. Friday, we'll let him get instructions and come. Okay.
My verbal instruction they have
And
opened.
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr.
Ji Tara.
G. Tara. The learned
Standing council RWD,
Standing council,
RWD
RWD,
representing.
shall come with proper instructions on the petition on, what is that Friday? On 22/11/2024. Okay, let us
Published.
get instructions.
Published.
Okay. Matter.
मेरा नहीं है।
May I please, your lordship?
Yes, what is your grievance?
My
What is that impugned order?
Impugned order is Annexure 5, my lord,
Annexure 5, which page?
page 29.
Page 29.
Yes.
Where is your serial?
My
Your
serial-
serial?
Three. Yamra Tatu. By this order, I have been
What is
directed
the EORE?
Extension Officer, Rural Engineer. This order was passed by the,
Just wait.
yes, my lord.
You are allowed to look after the charge of EORE,
EORE.
Panyasang City Block.
Yes,
What is wrong with this?
my lord, prior to this, my lord may kindly peruse page number 26, Annexure 2. According to this order, I have already joined in the Damin block, my lord. This is order passed by the director of the same department.
What is this? This is not an order, WT message.
In pursuance to this order, I have already joined, my lord. Yes,
What right has been violated? You are just asked to take charge until regular EO, they are actually posted.
I have already taken, my lord, charge as per videos.
We issue notice, we issue notice.
Yes, my lord.
Who is for the other side?
My lord.
Mr. DP Cha.
Yes, my lord.
You are representing
1, 2, 4, and 5.
1, 2, 4. Standing council.
Yes, ma'am.
Standing.
3.
Mr. So-and-so,
Yes.
learned counsel or the petitioner. The Stop, new para. The present writ petition has been filed. Impugning the engagement order dated 22/8/2024. By which the petitioner, who is serving as Panchayat Technical Assistant within Brigade PTA, has been allowed to look after the charge of EO within Brigade RD of Pania Sang CD block till the joining of regular EO within Brigade RE or until further orders. Stop. It is further the case of the petitioner that by a previous WT message dated 25/7/2024, issued by the Director, Rural Development Department, Itanagar, the petitioner has been approved to hold the charge of EORE Damin. Stop. Issue notice to the respondents, returnable in 4 weeks' time. Mr. D. Picha, Learner Standing Counsel, appears for the respondent number
1, 2, 4, and 5.
1, 2, 4, and 5, and MS so-and-so appears, Learned Government Advocate appears for the respondent number 3. Stop. Since all the respondents are represented, no formal notice, no formal notice not be issued. Stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall, however, serve the requisite copies of the writ petition to the learned counsel for the opposite to the learned counsel for the respondents within
4 weeks.
no within how many days?
Today only.
In
2 days.
Within today or
Yes.
2 days?
2 days, 2 days.
Within a period of 2 days from today.
My lord, 2 days.
Yes.
Obliged.
Lordship,
Just wait.
this my lordship.
Let's see your prayer. What is your prayer?
Lordship, reassessment, lordship. Page number 25, lordship. 24 and 25. This is left out cases, lordship. Page number 25, prayer number 2. This is my prime prayer. Direction should not be issued
for fresh land and property compensation assessment report in respect of the petitioners along the straight substances with complete transparency and fairness as per law. Kindly see, Lordship, I have a very limited prayer in this case, Lordship. First of all, Lordship, as per my representation, Lordship, the pilot's process
Where is the
to
representation?
know this case, Lordship.
Where is your representation?
Representation page number 32, Lordship.
30?
32. This is my representation, 16 August 2023. This is a group representation. 2020, this 16 August 2023. For immediate reassessment of the highway. Accordingly, Lordship, on the basis of my representation, page number 37, Lordship, government has taken action. Can you see? As per this order, page number 37, annexure 5, annexure 37. This. We have filed this representation before the Deputy Commissioner. Accordingly, the DC concerned has marked the file to the ADC concerned, who was the chairman of Land Assessment Board. On the basis of which DLRS of concern has, who was this member of the team, this Land Assessment Board, DLRS of concern. Kindly may I read the order? In pursuance of ADC number such and such, on 27 September 2023, Sri Ajin Nakar Mandal DLRSO, this is the DLRSO is Pumegranya, Yingkyong and Bapak Tedo, beyond ADC office Tuting are hereby directed to proceed to meeting for joint resurvey assessment work of genuinely and left out cases of Meeting, Tuting, Road.
So what is the outcome of this?
After this is as per this order, kindly see, this was to be started from 29 September 2023. But no action was taken. We are waiting for reassessment of our land. This is the. Then when on that day itself, we have been not informed where this order has been not publicly notified. That is why we are agree for. So on
No,
the
but by this order, DC has directed
yes, this is
for resurvey.
yes.
This is by DC or
No, DCS, sir. DCS pilot process.
Sir.
Yes, is the pilot process that we have filed the
This order is issued by
DLRSO. This is the team. There is a committee for assessment of the force, which is being controlled by the Deputy Commissioner. ADC, District Land Revenue, Land Revenue and Settlement Officer, and their group, which is led by the chairman is ADC. So this is being the head of the administrative head of the district with regard to this assessment matter. This was marked to
so
the
you are
ADC.
agree by the fact that no action has been taken on the order dated 27 September 2023.
Yes, no action was taken. So the work was to be, this assessment proceeding was to be started on 29 of September 2023 as per this order as it is reflected. So we will, the affected people were not notified. So we file representation on 29 September, page number 60.
Whether it has been, whether the resurvey has been started?
No, not restarted. Nothing has been done.
Where is your next representation?
Then next representation is page number 60. Annexure 7. Demand for immediate reassessment in connection with such and such road. So again, we have submitted on 29 September. Again, we have even before the Chief Secretary in the page number 62. Then at the last, this our last representation is page number 86, annexure 12. On 20 January 2024. Not 86, that is wrong, Lordship, very sorry. Page number, it is 88, annexure 13. Page number 88, annexure 13. Assessment, that is why,
Primarily, your grievance is that after the order,
yes, after the
after the
order,
order has been passed,
yes,
no
No
resurvey or reassessment has been conducted and
Not
despite your
not
representation.
conducted. That is why my,
Mr. Spencer.
just disposal of the representation.
Disposal of the representation.
Yes, that's all. With speaking order, why this 18 September 2000,
Yes,
that can be represent, this disposal.
disposal of the representation.
Yes, representation dated 16 September 2024.
Otherwise, my lord, I was thinking of issuing notice, my lord.
Yes, that may.
We issue notice.
Yes.
We issue
That-
notice. Third, Mr. Spencer. Learned counsel for the petitioner. Stop the petitioner's hearing.
Project affected families.
The affected persons slash families. Of Mijing dash Tuting DRO Road from 0 km dash 19.834 km. So it is the case of the petitioners that they are the land, you are the landowners.
Yes, landowners.
You are the landowners. Of the project. However, the Land Compensation Assessment Board, led by the Additional Deputy Commissioner to Ting, has erroneously left out the name of the petitioners. From the assessment of their land.
Yes.
The petitioners had filed various representation before the concerned authorities for reassessment and re-verification of their land and property. However, no step has been taken to reassess / re-verify their land and the properties. Despite the order dated 27/9/2023 issued by the District Land Revenue and Settlement Officer, Upper Siang District, Yen Kong. Directing the Mandal DLR and SO office, Yang Kong, Yang Kyong, to proceed for joint resurvey / reassessment work of the genuine affected landowners who has been left out from the assessment, correct?
Yes.
Stop, issue notice to the respondents returnable in 4 weeks' time. Mr. Yes.
My lord, I am prepared for respondent number 2, ma'am.
Respondent number 2,
Yes, ma'am.
standing counsel,
Yes, ma'am.
and ma'am, you are for
1, 3, 4, and 5.
131. MS. So. Leonard Government Advocate appears for the respondent number 1, 3, 4, and 5. And Mr. So. Leonard Standing Counsel, Land Management appears for the respondent number 2. Stop. Since all the respondents are represented, no formal notice need be issued. Stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall however serve the requisite copies of the writ petition to the learned counsel for the respondents within
Within a week.
within 7 days from today. Yes.
Item number 7.
Yes.
My lord, I'm appearing for the petitioner, and notice has been served to the respondent through a dusty service.
You're for?
On behalf of M. Kato, DSGI, we have communicated the matter to the authorities. No instruction has been received here. So, my lord, may kindly grant 4 weeks' time to get the instruction.
You are for respondent number 1,
1
2,
to
and
4.
3.
1 to 4, I think.
1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, 3, and 4.
4. 4 also.
Yes.
Third, Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. So-and-so, on behalf of
M. Kato.
Mr. M. Kato, learned
DSGI, Deputy Solicitor General of India.
DSGI. The stop. Learned DSGI is allowed 3 weeks' time to file the affidavit in opposition, listed accordingly. Okay. Yes.
My lord, the petitioners, my lord, their meritorious spouse person, my lord. Altogether, there are 9 petitioners, my lord. My lord, the education department, my lord, they have issued advertisement for recruitment of PGT and PGT, my lord. PG postgraduate teacher and trained graduate teacher, my lord. And accordingly, this was.
Yes, where is your affidavit?
I'm for the SIT, and he's for the education department.
We don't see any.
My role is very limited. We have investigated the matter and we have filed the charge.
Yes, my lord.
Now, the education department might wish to file an affidavit.
No, we didn't receive the extra copies, therefore we couldn't take the.
Yes, you have not done your duty and you are insisting on.
Otherwise, my lord, this is, my lord, admitted fact now, my lord. There was.
It may be admitted fact for you, not for the court, not for the others. We are here to listen to both the parties
That's true.
and to do justice.
Yes,
You may have one say, but that may be otherwise for the other. The other side is submitting that you have not served even the copies. Will it be necessary to place the charge sheet?
Since it's on record, for the perusal of this honorable court, my lord, I'll obtain the copy of the charge sheet, whether they have been charge sheeted or not, only to ascertain that.
You have not charged sheeted, that means.
So far, as per the record is concerned, my lord, those petitioners who were before my lord has not been charge sheeted.
Okay.
But to ascertain the facts, my lord, even I can call for the records also.
You place the instructions on the next date and file affidavit if required.
Right.
Heard, Mr. So-and-so? Learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. Your good name?
H. Tai on behalf of T. Tagum.
So-and-so?
Standing counsel education.
On behalf of Mr. T. Tagum?
T. Tagum, yeah.
Learned standing counsel,
Education department.
education department. And Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the respondent number 5. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall serve the requisite copies of the writ petition to the learned standing counsel within. Within a period of 2 days from today. Check out and see. If not, sir, we are giving you enough time. But both the learned counsel for the respondent number 1, 2, 3, and 4, as well as the learned counsel for the respondent number 5, are allowed 4 weeks' time to file the respective affidavit, if so advised. Yes. Whether that IA is there, man. Whether that IA, you have filed IA? Okay, okay. You want to file an application for implement? Okay, we allow. MS. So learned counsel for the commissioner is allowed 2 weeks time. Is allowed 4 weeks time to file application for implement listed accordingly. Have you taken steps for service of notice? Affidavit filed by the petitioner after discussion service of notice. Who is for the respondents? Affidavit filed by the petitioner. Sole respondent? Who's the government advocate? Yes, it's a principal secretary home. Sole respondent, principal secretary home. Why don't you take steps?
We don't have the copy, ma'am. Serve carefully.
Provide copy, let her get instructions. Okay. Heard, Mr. Senso, learned counsel for the petitioner. Office note dated 14/10/2024 states that the affidavit filed by the petitioner after the service of after the service of notice by dusty process upon the respondent number 1. Affidavit has been filed by the petitioner after service of notice by dusty process upon the respondent number 1. Stop. Comma. However, none appears on behalf of the sole respondent. Stop. This court is accordingly requested MS so. Your good name? To accept notice on behalf of the sole respondent. Continue. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall accordingly furnish a copy of the content petition to MS so, the learned government advocate. And the learned government advocate is allowed 4 weeks time to receive necessary instructions. Listed report. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Where's your affidavit?
Lordship, herein, purpose of filing this writ petition has already been served because of this respondent number 4, respondent number 3 has already issued notice to the parties. So herein, my contention is only clear is that my complaint is pending before the respondent number 2, and subsequently I filed representation basing on upon
What
my
is your case? I'm not getting you. What is your case?
Lordship. My brief text of case is in paragraph 1 only. Herein, I have lodged complaint before that respondent number, that is Deputy Commissioner, on 5th September 2023. Thereafter, matter has been endorsed to the respondent number 3, that is dealer ratio. Thereafter, matter was pending unattended.
Who is to respond to the writ petition? Who is to respond?
Respondent number 3.
And who is representing the respondent number 3? You. Why don't you file your affidavit?
We need some more time.
Lordship, here in my phrase, very limited. My complaint is pending before the respondent number 3, that is dealer ratio. And subsequently, I filed representation before the respondent number 3 to take up the matter expectedly is in fair manner. But thereafter, after this Honorable Court issued a direction on 2nd August 2024, basing on that the dealer ratio, that is respondent number 3 has issued notice upon the parties. So my prayer is complied. So my matter may be closed on that aspect, Your Lordship. Is it
What is
pending?
your prayer? Let us see. What is your prayer? What is your prayer? Directing upon to take up the complaint case and so filed by the petitioner against the respondent number 4 for cancellation of. Directing the respondent to examine the dispute.
Your Lordship, brief of the case is only paragraph 1 only my petition.
You are agree by the fact that the allotment has been made in favor of respondent number 4.
Yes, that was.
And you have filed a representation.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Which was not disposed.
Yes, Your Lordship.
That is why you have actually filed this application.
Yes, exactly.
So giving effect to your representation, the district land revenue officer has issued this summon.
Yes.
This summon to respond number 4. And who is Takam Mangam?
It's a petitioner here.
He is the petitioner.
Yes.
Okay. So this summon has been issued to the respondent number 4.
Yes, respondent
So
number
what
8
you
less
mean to-
complainant.
What you mean to submit is that by issuing this summon,
Yes, Your Lordship.
the prayer which you have raised in the writ petition has been answered.
Lordship, in my prayer is that my matter complaint is pending before the respondent number 3. So my case would be heard expeditiously as well as in fair manner, because that respondent number 3 has requested me to withdraw the FIR complaint. So there is a little biasness.
Are you assisted by some seniors?
Yes.
What is this number? Yes, Mr. Tara, you are sitting there idly. Your friend is confusing me. What is that short submission?
My lord, what had happened in this case?
Ah,
A 192 square meter of the land was allotted at Vivek Bihar in Itanagar,
ah.
the government land on 3/3/1998.
Please bring your mic.
Yeah,
Ah,
a 192 square meter of a government land was allotted
allotted to
private respondent.
respondent number 4.
Yeah.
Okay,
Petitioner.
okay,
To the petitioner.
okay.
And then what had happened was, approval was also given for construction of a multi-storied house.
Okay.
The construction was done within the allotted plot of land, and mortgage certificate was also issued by the respondent number 2. So then what had happened, this land was transferred.
You have transferred the land.
Government land allotment was transferred in favor of private respondent number 4 without my consent and my knowledge. So there was a cheating in this case.
Okay.
Then a complaint sought to file before the deputy commissioner, and especially the DLRSO below, deputy commissioner office, that is respondent number 3, my lord, the district land revenue settlement officer, which my lord will find at
Yes, wait.
Page 35.
Yes, wait, yes, wait.
Yes.
So this complaint,
Now,
Mr.
now-
This complaint dated, which is that complaint dated?
complaint date. 0509 at page 33, my lord.
At page
33 and
23.
33, my lord.
At page 33. Okay, page 33. Complaint.
Nalik.
So this is a request to inquire into illegal land allotment issued in favor of MS Naba
Exactly.
Mali.
Exactly, my lord. Then what had happened? The respondent number 3.
So what you just clarify me.
Okay.
What you mean to submit is that the land which was allotted to you,
Yes.
the land which was allotted to you was thereafter again re-allotted to respondent number 4. And respondent number 4 had actually transferred this land to some other third person.
Some other third.
So agree by that you have filed this.
I filed this representation and annexure 5, my lord. And then the respondent number 3, the district land revenue and settlement officer, never adjudicated upon this.
Okay.
So therefore, the purpose of filing this read petition was to issue a direction upon the respondent number 3 to adjudicate the matter by issuing summon to the private respondent number 4. And that 38, page 38. Now, pursuant to this, my lord, what had happened? Now, the objective of filing this read petition has been achieved because
thereafter you had also filed this representation 21 June 2020.
Correct, my lord, at page 38.
Yes, wait, please.
And thereafter, my lord.
Yes. Yes.
Then, my lord, by order dated 2nd August 2024 of this honorable court, says that in the operating portion, my lord, it says pendency of the read petition shall not be a bar to consider the representation dated 21/6/2024 filed by the read petitioner. Now, pursuant to this order, my lord, this particular order has come by issuing notice to the private respondent number 4. Now, the process for adjudication of the matter has started. So, the basic prayer in the read petition was seeking a mandamus to the against the
To examine and dispose the representation
Lord.
dated 21/6.
Now, my lord, this particular order, by means of this order,
Summon.
has been issued. The purpose is solved, my lord. This read petition may be closed, being infructuous, as the grievances of the petitioner has been redressed by issuing this summon dated 7 November 2024.
So basically, the fact is that you were allotted the land.
Correct.
That land was re-allotted to respondent number 4.
Correct.
And respondent number 4 had actually again re-allotted that land to a third person. And that is why
Yes, correct.
you had actually filed this representation.
Correct.
Since this representation was not disposed, you had filed this writ petition.
Yes.
But in view of the summons,
In view of
your
the-
grievances has been redressed.
grievances has been redressed and the read petition has become infructuous.
Third. Okay, ma'am. Third. Mr. T.T. Tara, kindly assist me.
Sure, I said it.
Mr. T.T. Tara, the learned counsel for the petitioner and MS
Kivam.
so-and-so, learned counsel, learned government advocate
Yes, madam.
for the state respondents,
Respondent number 2 and 3.
for the state respondent number 2 and 3. Stop. New para. The writ petition was filed by the petitioner seeking for the following directions. Ma'am?
Correct.
Page 13, A, B. Okay. Inter alia seeking for the following directions. Okay. A, B, C. A, B, C. Okay. The new para, facts of the case and brief is that the petitioner was allotted a land by the state respondents, correct?
Correct.
Comma. However, the said land was re-allotted to the respondent number 4. The respondent number 4 had disposed the land in favor of a third party. Stop. Being aggrieved by the action of the respondent number 4 in conveying the land to a third party, the where is your this representation 21/6?
Annexure 7.
Page?
Page 38. my lord.
Page 38.
21/6/2024.
The petitioner had filed the representation dated 21/6/2024. What's the first complaint?
First complaint,
Page
annexure 5,
33.
33, my lord.
Page 33.
Correct, my lord.
The petitioner had filed the complaint dated
5/9/2023.
31/8/2023, correct?
Correct.
Correct.
5/9/2023 complaint.
Which is that page?
That is page 33.
33 is 31/8/2023.
Okay, that is receipt date, sir.
Pardon?
That is receipt date, sir. I refer to receipt date. Sir.
No.
It was filed on 31/8.
31/8/2023.
Yes, ma'am. Acknowledged on 5th September 2023.
Oh, it's all right. Oh, what was the last line? To the Deputy Commissioner, Capital Complex, Itanagar, to inquire into the illegal land allotment issued in favor of the respondent number 4. Since the complaint filed by the petitioner was not disposed of, the petitioner again filed the representation dated 21/6/2024.
Correct. Page 38.
To the DLRSO.
Correct.
Office of the Deputy Commissioner, Itanagar Complex, Itanagar Capital Complex. Regarding reminding the officer concerned with regard to the disposal of the pending case. Stop. However, as no action was taken on the letter dated 21/6/2024 by the DLRSO, Office of the Deputy Commissioner, Itanagar Capital Complex, the petitioner had filed the present writ petition, correct?
Correct.
Today, when the matter is listed. Where is that?
My lord, may ref.
Mr. T.T. Tara, learned counsel for the petitioner, has placed a copy of this summons dated 7/11/2024.
Correct.
Issued by the District Land Revenue and Settlement Officer, Itanagar Capital Complex.
Correct. That
to the respondent number 5.
19 December.
As well as to the petitioner. For adjudication of the land dispute subsisting between the petitioner and the respondent number 4. Stop. In view of the summons issued by the DLRSO, Itanagar Capital Complex, Mr. T.T. Tara, the learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the prayer sought for in the writ petition has been redressed. He therefore submits that the present writ petition may be closed with a direction to the respondent number
Three,
with the direction to the respondent number 3.
to conclude the proceeding as expeditiously as possible.
Yes, with the direction to the respondent number 3 to adjudicate the dispute between the petitioner and the respondent number 4 as expeditiously as possible.
Within a period of 2 months, if my lord can aid.
As expeditiously as possible. Okay, we will.
Within a period of 2 months.
Stop. In view of the submissions made by the learned counsel for the parties. This court disposes the writ petition at the admission stage.
This is in order.
At the order stage with a direction to the respondent number 3. That is
the LRSO Capital Complex.
That is the DLRSO Itanagar Capital Complex. To dispose. To expeditiously dispose the pending land dispute between the petitioner and the respondent number 4.
Within a period of 2 months.
Within a period of
2
90
months.
days.
90.
Within a period of
90
days from today. Stop. Any order passed by the DLRSO consequent to the order passed by this court shall be forthwith conveyed to both the petitioner as well as the respondent number 4. Stop. Writ petition disposed. The copy of this summon dated 7/11/2024 shall be kept in record.
Yes.
Okay. Yes.
My lord, by order dated 12/11/2024, my lord, the standing counsel for the RWD was directed to file the counter affidavit in opposition. Has filed it last night, my lord, and then the copy somehow. Yes. The copy somehow was received by me this morning, my lord.
Okay.
So I could not peruse. So in terms of our Guwahati High Court rules, my lord, 7 days time is always granted to file rejoinder, my lord. So just I'm seeking for 1 week time to file my rejoinder.
Okay. Okay.
This on 5th, it may fix on 5th.
5th December?
Yes.
Okay, fine, my lord.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Mr. T.T. Tara, the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the affidavit filed by the respondents has been received by him only today.
This morning.
Only today. And he would therefore like to go through the same and to file reply. Stop. Listed on 5/12/2024 for enabling the learned counsel for the petitioner to file the reply.
Interim order to continue.
My lord, endeavor shall be made to dispose the matter on the.
The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next returnable date. Stop. An endeavor shall be made to dispose the petition on the next returnable.
It could have been done today. I received the copy yesterday. Much of it.
May I please, Your Lordship?
What is this? All torn out, what is this? Well, what is this application for amendment of the writ petition bringing certain vital facts on record not yet filed?
But we have not, in fact, the petitioner decided not to amend the petition and he wants to.
Okay, we'll list it for hearing if you are not interested. By which order you were asked to amend the petition? 22-8. 22-8. Twenty-two, 8, 2024. 22, 8, 2024. Yeah.
And in fact, my lord had the occasion to deal with the matter on that day. During the course of argument, it was revealed that he has not challenged the proceedings of the selection committee, etc. And that is when he made a prayer for amending the report. And that amendment has not been filed so far.
What survives?
So we are not intending to amend that.
If you are not intending, then I think that goes against you.
Yes.
That.
But our prayer was that only the experience, but.
Mr. This court is trying to assist you. Which order? Which order? 22-8-24.
Milan, this matter can be heard, Milan. We can argue without amending the petition, Milan.
Arey, every time khushi se nahi hoga na?
Yes.
One day you said this, one day you say that.
No, in fact, this was listed.
Mr. Esmo.
Last occasion, Milan.
Who submits that? It will not be necessary for the petitioner to amend the writ petition. We'll list it tomorrow.
Like tomorrow, it won't be possible. I have to go back. There are some pattern matters in Guwahati.
At least next that or tomorrow.
This week and next week. Possible. In that case, Malad, the other matter, division bench matter, your lordship will fix it on 16th. Can it be on 16th?
16th December.
Yes, yesterday's division bench matter, that has been fixed on 16th. I will have to come in. So this matter also can be fixed on 16th.
November 16. 16 is a Monday, Malad. Usually Monday, no hearing. Can we fix on 18? If you have
again. I have another matter fixed.
18 or 19?
After that, no.
Because 16 usually.
If it spills over, we can continue till Tuesday. Let it be on 16. We'll start on 16. If it cannot be completed, we'll continue on 16.
But there will be many matters, especially on Monday. That is the. So we want to dispose of. If you want to dispose of, then let's fix on Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday within that 3 days.
I have an important matter, and after that,
Thursday.
Yes.
So that I'm going outside.
Okay, then 16 man.
Listed again on 16/12/2024. Mr. I. Chowdhury, Learned Advocate General, assisted by Mr.
My lord, I am for respondent.
So and so.
He is appearing for the private.
I am for the respondent.
Appears for the respondent number, appears for the state respondent and Mr.
S. Chakraborty.
So and so, learned counsel appears for the respondent number 4.
No light.